name is Jay Bolden. I'm a senior director in the Global Quality Laboratories at Eli Lilly and Company. I'm a birder. For fun, I like to go out and count birds. I keep a list and then I upload that into a database that's used by researchers to track bird conservation. So it's an opportunity to continue to do science even outside of work. We're here in Cape May, New Jersey, right at the peak spawning time for horseshoe crabs, timed with the migration of shorebirds, including the red knot, which is federally threatened and endangered. These migratory shorebirds fly from the southern tip of Argentina and time their migration to hit Delaware Bay at the time that the horseshoe crabs are coming out of the sea to spawn. The crabs are laying their eggs and the birds come in to eat the excess eggs. When they arrive here, they're emaciated. And if there isn't a sufficient food here, they can't make that trip to the Arctic where they breed. When I started at Lilly in 2000, I was made aware that the test that I was being trained to do came from horseshoe crabs, and that someday we may not have access to that test because horseshoe crab populations were decimated due to overharvesting or taken for biomedical purposes to create our test reagent. But there's a better way to do it now. Endotoxin testing is critical to patient safety. Horseshoe crab blood clotted in the presence of contamination in the seawater. That was the horseshoe crab defense mechanism to protect itself from bacteria in its bloodstream. From that came what was known as the bacterial endotoxins test. This is purified horseshoe crab blood. And now we have the same protein in the horseshoe crab that's sensitive to endotoxin, but it's made from cells, so we don't need that from horseshoe crab blood. It's really beneficial to Lilly from a sustainability perspective. It's aligned with our own corporate policy, which says if there's an alternative to animal testing that's acceptable to the regulators and supported by the science, we should be doing that. The red knot's been a bit of a mascot for us in our lab. We have pictures of horseshoe crabs, we have pictures of red knot. That's our inspiration to do what we do. So to see thousands and thousands of red knots and think about the positive benefits that we've been able to bring to them, that was really special. It's an ecosystem. You can't impact one animal and not impact a lot of animals. So not only are we positively impacting horseshoe crabs, migratory shorebirds, but turtles and sharks and sportfish and people. All the while we're maintaining the quality of our product. It's so unique to have my hobby and my profession intersect. It's really satisfying to know that the work that we're doing has a tremendous positive impact to nature.